You are about to see several demonstrations of the secondary flame resistance, SFR, of a Tyvek 400 SFR garment ensemble using the DuPont Thermoman Thermal Protection Evaluation System, equipped with 122 sensors. A lightweight 4.5-ounce commercial primary flame-resistant, FR coverall, made with DuPont Nomex Essential, is directly exposed to flames on the left. An ensemble consisting of the same primary FR coverall with a Tyvek 400 SFR garment is exposed on the right. The average total burn injury percentage for the standalone primary FR coverall is 37%, while the full ensemble with a Tyvek 400 SFR garment measures 5.5%. Next, a commercially available 6.0-ounce primary FR coverall made with DuPont Nomex Essential is exposed to the flame both with and without a Tyvek 400 SFR garment. On the left, the primary FR coverall alone has an average total burn injury percentage of 12%. On the right, the full ensemble with a Tyvek 400 SFR garment measures 1.2%. The final test uses a heavier 7.0-ounce commercial primary FR coverall made with FR-treated 88% cotton and 12% nylon alone on the left, and an ensemble of the same primary FR coverall with a Tyvek 400 SFR garment on the right. The average total burn injury percentage for the standalone primary FR coverall is 26%, while the full ensemble with a Tyvek 400 SFR garment measures less than 1%. As demonstrated under these test conditions, when worn as an ensemble over top of appropriate primary flame-resistant protective clothing, Tyvek 400 SFR garments reduce the predicted total burn injury without negatively impacting the performance of primary FR coveralls.